Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shrestha and I post regular content on my channel which is related to productivity, self-growth and sometimes some career options after completing BHMS, that is homeopathy. Now coming back to this video, I think this is my last video in this apartment because we are moving. Yes, we are moving in the middle of all this chaos. We are moving to Liverpool and I'm super excited, and in today's video I wanted to give you a moving out vlog, if that makes sense, me packing my stuff, moving from here and all those things. And if you would like to know more about it, keep on watching. And today's shout out is to Madhurika Day. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. It means the world to me. And if in case you guys are thinking how can we get a shout out in the next video, all you have to do is comment below this video or tag me in any of your Instagram stories. My Instagram handle is thismighthelp.tmh. And now with this out of the way, let's really start with the vlog. So guys, initially the plan was to pack one big category every single day for a week and be done with all the packing, but things really didn't go that way, and now it is really overwhelming because I have lots to pack and only few days left. Few days as in only 2 days left. Yes, and today I am planning to really pack everything. I have just filmed a YouTube video and that was monthly review series, and I think that will be already uploaded on my channel by the time this video comes up. And I'm really excited to move to Liverpool. I just cannot tell you how beautiful that city is. But guys, for now, let's pack. So guys, I'm actually done with my first bag of clothes, and the house and the bed and everywhere, as you can see, there's still a mess. So I have actually decluttered some of my clothes, and some of them I want to donate. They are in good condition, but I don't want them any longer. So I might drop them tomorrow morning. But yes, my first bag is done. Let me show you guys. So it's almost midnight and the first bag is done and full. I just have to pack it now, but this first bag of luggage is full of clothes. Okay guys, it's day 2 and morning already, and I'm going to my gym for my yoga class. The yoga classes have started, and let me tell you, yesterday after I did film my intro, I really got busy with editing the previous video like I said, and yes, so today there's a lot to pack. So it's quite sunny today and I'm really excited for my yoga class. But yes, when I come back we have lots to pack, and yes, I'm gonna continue the vlog once I get back home. But for now I'm walking towards my gym. It's just like a 5-minute walk from my house. So I am walking towards my gym. So like I was saying, it's been a week since the gym has opened, and not all of the classes has started, but yoga, pilates, body conditioning and circuits, high intensity workout, these classes are already started. So today I have my yoga class. Let me show it to you guys. This is my gym, and you have lots to do here, especially now because of the corona. Everything was shut down, but it had gym, it had spa, it had swimming pool and whatnot. Amazing gym, sports hall, fitness studio and whatnot. That's the swimming pool. They have filled in the water. I think they're going to start the swimming pool soon as well.
I'm just Jim. Am I right to go up? Yeah, just down your...
Thank you. So initially we used to have classes in the studio, but now we have it in sports hall because they need bigger space for it. Hi there. I'm done with my class. Now I'm walking back home, and yes. So guys, I just had my shower and I've made some breakfast. I'll make poha today, as you can see, and I am just gonna have some breakfast, and I think I have to run some errands. I have to get some more boxes, so I would take you guys along with me. But for now, my breakfast, and I'm just gonna sit. And as you can see, there's just like a lot of mess around. As you can see, I have packed 2 bags of clothes already, and I'm just left with few more of these clothes, but I have to go out and get more boxes because the kitchen needs to be packed up today as well. And I have made myself a cup of tea. I'm gonna have my cup of tea, and then I'm gonna go out and get more boxes and some bubble wrap as well, because I have to pack my dining set. And yes, the whole house kind of looks like a mess, but that's about it. So I'm just heading out to get some boxes for packing my other stuff. I decided to pack all my books in this medium-sized box, and it was quite big, to be honest, and I could fit in all my books and stationery. So I have one of these, and I'm gonna put it here because in this box I'm gonna put all of my cosmetics. Okay guys, I have packed my cosmetics, and as you can see, the glass bottles, I have actually wrapped it in bubble wrap so that it is placed securely. And the ones which are extremely liquid, I have also used a cling film because this really helps to put the liquid and helps secure it. So this is the tip I have for you guys. Let me show you the rolls I got. So I got these bubble wrap rolls. As you can see, I'm using this one to pack all those things which are breakables, and I have so far packed almost all the clothes. I am done with all the cosmetics, skincare, and now I'm going to start packing some miscellaneous items. And yes, so far it's going so good. So I've packed another box full of clothes, and I've also decluttered few of them. So I have made a different separate box for donating clothes, which I'm gonna go and donate it tomorrow. But yes, let me show you guys. So this is another box full of clothes, and those are like miscellaneous items. And as you can still see, there's quite a few mess here, but those clothes out there is for donation. For dinner, since I had already packed my whole kitchen, we decided to go to our favorite restaurant, and we just loved the food. It was so delicious. So guys, I'm really tired. It's already 10 o'clock in the night, and I am just so tired. I'm just gonna doze off, and tomorrow's the last day. I have a couple of hours only tomorrow because the movers and packers, not the packers, just the movers, the people who will help us to move our stuff, will come tomorrow around evening. So we'll have some couple of hours and I can finalize the packing then. Today is day 3, and today is my last day at my gym, and today I have a Pilates class. So I'm just going out for my Pilates. And yes guys, it actually feels quite surreal, but we are almost done with our packing. It's almost all done, and once I'm back home, I'm going to show you guys how that's going. I also had to go and get some more boxes and brown tape. So another tip I have for you guys is get extra boxes. But yes, this is the mess we have. Everything was almost packed. Other than that, we were almost wrapping up, and after we were done, we were almost in time, and the movers and came in and they helped us move all our stuff. Okay guys, so the movers have come and they are moving all our luggage, and I'm just going to donate some clothes, and even the cleaners have arrived and they are cleaning the flat. And this is day 3, and as you can see how I look, it was such a tiring process, oh my god, but we finally did it, and I am now relieved. Things are actually happening and taking place, and everything is falling into place. So yes, so as you can see, we had this huge Sainsbury. So this is a place where you can actually donate clothes, and you just put it inside. So you just pull it down, and then you can put whatever you want to donate in this, and then you can just push it back, and then it goes inside. So that's how you can donate clothes and accessories and shoes, whatever you want to. And this is the Sainsbury or grocery store we had near to our place. This is huge, and my usual grocery shopping would be from here only. So yes, I'm gonna miss this. For dinner, we ordered some South Indian food. This is masala dosa and paneer dosa with some mango lassi and salt lassi. The food was again super delicious. Just had my shower, the packing, the cleaning, everything is done. And we are leaving tomorrow morning. So technically this is the last night in this apartment, in this house, and I'm really grateful for this house, for all it has done, and it's been so nice to us. And I also want to do like a small clip of the whole apartment, but I'm so tired and I just want to sleep now, and I'll see if I can do it, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. So just before we were leaving, this is a very small house tour of our empty apartment. So this was our bedroom, and yes guys, it was a fully furnished apartment, and we had those French pane windows, and this was the lounge, the drawing room, and we had like an open kitchen along with the washroom. So guys, if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it so that you can be updated with all my latest videos. And guys, meet you next Thursday. Until then, take care, bye bye, I love you all.